Hello friends, welcome to the very first chapter of the special subject, that is Armed Forces. So in this series we are going to have the brief about the Armed Forces, what is Armed Forces, what is its primary duties, what are the organizations like Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force and their command headquarters. Okay, so let's begin our lecture. So what is Armed Forces? Defense services plays a vital role in maintaining sovereignty and territorial integrity of our nation. So the basic motto we can say, that is what? To maintain the sovereignty and territorial integrity of our nation. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. Okay, so this question, this statement is very important. This comes into any kind of exam, NCC exams. Okay, so who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces? That is President. Okay, so whenever you are going for any exam, just check who is the present President. Okay, so this type of question again may be asked, that who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Army? That is again the President of Indian Navy, of Indian Air Force. That all is has the same answer, that is President. Okay, the Indian Armed Forces are under the management of the Ministry of Defense. Right, so that comes under the directly under the Ministry of Defense. Now we can state the primary duties of armed forces into three. What is those? What are those? The national security, to maintain the integration and maintenance of law and order. Okay, national security, like now we know that that there is a conflict between India and China. So Indian armed forces are very active about this and they are holding all the actions. Similarly, integration, if there is any problem in between any state or any district or anywhere else, then Indian armed forces come into the action. And maintenance of law and order, like the Article 370 has been removed. At that time, Indian Armed Forces has taken the main action and they maintain the law and order. So what are the organization of Indian Armed Forces? This can be classified into three. That is Organization of Armed Forces, that we all know, that is Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. The Police Organization and the Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPF. Okay. So in this lecture, we are going to have the focus on organization of armed forces only, and in next lecture we will see what are the police organization and central armed police forces. Okay. So first we will see what is Indian Army. So as we know that it is the land-based branch and it is the largest component of the Indian Armed Forces, right? And it is headed by the Chief of Army Staff, a 4-star general. Okay. So again a question may be framed from here, that who is the Indian Army is headed by whom? Okay, so who is the head of the Indian Army? So we can have the answer as Chief of Army Staff. Or sometimes the full form of COAS has been asked. And whenever you are going for any exam, just check who is the present Chief of Army Staff. You should know the answer of this. Okay. Based on troop size, Indian Army ranks second in the world, and the highest rank in the Indian Army is Field Marshal. It is a largely ceremonial or wartime rank. Okay. So if you see till the date, only 2 officers has been ranked with this rank, the Field Marshal rank. They are the Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw and the second one is Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa. They are the only 2 officers who has been conferred with this rank. Okay. The next you will see what are the commands of Indian Army. So if we will see, the command of Indian Army are 7, with 1 headquarter of Ministry of Defense, 1 training command and 1 strategic force command. Okay. So if you will see where is the integrated headquarter of Ministry of Defense, that is located at New Delhi. And the Army training command, that is at Shimla. The strategic force command is at New Delhi. Okay. And we have the 7 operational commands, that are Central Command at Lucknow, Eastern Command at Kolkata, Northern Command Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir, Southern Command at Pune, Maharashtra. Next is Western Command, Chandi Mandir, Punjab, Southwestern Command at Jaipur, Rajasthan, and the last one is Andaman and Nicobar Command, located at Andaman. These are the 7 main command and their headquarters of Indian Army. You can have the locations in this map. The next is Indian Navy. So as we know that our nation has been covered with water from 3 sides. So there is a necessity of that we should have a strong naval branch. Okay. So Indian Navy, also known as Bharatiya Nav Sena, is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces. It is headed by Chief of Naval Staff, a 4-star officer rank, named as Admiral. The Indian Navy is the 7th largest in the world, and the main objective of Indian Navy is to secure the nation's maritime borders. And the highest rank of Indian Navy is the Admiral of the Fleet. Okay, but up till now in the Navy, Admiral of the Fleet has never been given to anyone. Okay, we can have the commands of the Indian Navy. So we have 3 commands of Indian Navy: Western Naval Command, located at Mumbai; Eastern Naval Command, Visakhapatnam; Southern Naval Command, Kochi. Okay, you can have the locations in this map. Now next is Indian Air Force. So Indian Air Force is the youngest of these 3 services. It came into existence since 1932. Okay, this is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces, and it is commanded by Chief of the Air Staff. It is the world's 4th largest air force in terms of the both personnel and aircraft, and the highest rank in the Indian Air Force is the Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Okay, from the Air Force we have only one who has conferred with this rank, is Officer Arjun Singh. Okay, we can have the primary responsibility of the Indian Air Force. What is that? To secure Indian airspace and to conduct aerial warfare during a conflict. And the staff of air headquarters consists of 3 branches. First one, Air Staff Branch, Administrative Branch, and last one is Maintenance Branch. Okay, and the command of the Indian Air Force has been divided into 2. First one is Operational Command, second one is Functional Command. So we have 5 operational commands, as you can see: the Central Air Command, Allahabad; Eastern Air Command, Shillong; Southern Air Command, Thiruvananthapuram; Southwestern Air Command, Gandhinagar, Gujarat; and the Western Air Command at New Delhi. Apart from this, we have 2 functional commands, that is Training Command at Bangalore and the Maintenance Command at Nagpur, Maharashtra. So these are the different commands of Indian Armed Forces with their command headquarters. This type of question mostly asked in the NCC exams, that what are the commands of Indian Armed Forces and where does it locates. Okay, here you can have the map of the commands of Indian Air Force. This is all about today's video. In next video we will have the police organization and CAPF. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.